How to list and sell tickets on Ticketmaster. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up any browser and then in the search bar search for ticketmaster.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply sign in to your Ticketmaster account. And once you have logged in, you want to go ahead and locate your event. Find the event you want to sell tickets for under My Tickets right over here, and then click on Sell button, which may label the sell tickets or similar. And after you have selected tickets, and then after that, go ahead and choose a specific ticket you would like to sell from your order. Determine the price you would like to sell your tickets for, and then select how you like to receive your payment from Ticketmaster. And after you do that, you want to go ahead and carefully review your listing details and confirm sales of your tickets. And that's simply how you can list and sell tickets on Ticketmaster. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.